Police investigating the death of a 66-year-old man are seeking the owner of a drone, believed to be flying in the area. Details coming up next.
Geeksvana is your drone channel.
Hey everyone, my name is Sean and welcome to Geeksvana. Today we're going to be bringing you an appeal on behalf of Kent Police in the UK, who are urgently seeking a drone owner who might hold essential evidence and key information over the killing of a father of five, 66-year-old Charles Hilder. Lullingstone Castle is picturesque, dating back to the 15th century, sitting within acres of land with a lake at its heart, where members of a local angling and preservation society enjoy fishing. Witnesses report that Mr. Hilder was enjoying a fishing session with his two brothers when they were allegedly attacked by a group of young men, some throwing rocks at the boat. Although police have not yet formally announced a murder investigation, as some parts of the incident remain unclear. It is not yet clear, for instance, if Mr. Hilder was struck by rocks or became ill afterwards. As you would expect, police are keen to speak to anyone in the area, especially those who might have captured any pictures or video, including dog walkers, anglers and golfers, even footage from dash cams. Enter the appeal for the drone witness. Senior Investigating Officer Detective Chief Inspector Gavin Moss said, "We have also been told a drone was flying at the relevant time and we would like to trace the owner to identify whether it recorded any images." The incident occurred on Thursday the 28th of May at 5:21 p.m. Anyone with information that may assist the investigation is asked to contact Kent Police on 01622 604 100, quoting reference 201127. There will of course be all that information in the description below, including the full address. So we need to get this message out to as many drone flyers as possible. Who knows what someone has captured on their footage without actually realising it? If you're a member of a drone group, share this video to it. Any other drone clubs and organisations you're in contact with, share it to them as well. You never know if that post or share might end up in front of the right drone owner who had no idea what they recorded. Even footage from before and after the incident could provide essential information. Police give a window of 12 noon to 7 p.m. on the day itself, although as mentioned the drone was actually thought to be operating in the area at the time of the incident. If you're new here, Geeksvana is a channel dedicated to drones and tech. We bring you the latest drone news, leaks, some fascinating interviews and some fun content and live streams. Please consider subscribing, and to get the latest drone news first, hit the notification bell. That's it for today. We just thought we'd make this very quick video to put this important story out there. See you next time.
Please remember to like and subscribe.
All right, you're still here. No one to see.